Naia Love Stories. Like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Why I say everybody?
Hey!
It's time for your phonics. Do you know the sounds of the letters?
Yay!
Alright, sing along. A says A for Aki. B says B for breadfruit. C says K for crab. D says D for dreadlocks. E says E for egg. F says F for fish. G says G for goat. H says for hen. I says I for insect. J says J for jackfruit. K says K for kidney bean. L says L for lizard. M says for mango. N says for nuts. O says O for okra. P says P for plantain. Q says Qu for queen. R says R for rabbit. S says S for starfruit. T says T for tamarind. U says A for umbrella. V says for violin. W says W for watermelon. X says X for ox. Y says Y for yam. Z says S for zebra. Yay! You did it! You ready for your speed sound?
Yay!
Let's go! A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says E, F says F, G says G, H says H, I says I, J says J, K says K, L says M says N says O says O, P says P, Q says Q, R says R, S says S, T says T, U says A, B says Z, W says W, X says X, Y says Y, Z says yay! You did it! You see? Nobody can tell you say you don't know your letter sounds. You're going good. Pick up yourself.